Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Weekend Watch Repair. My name's Adam. I'm going to bring you something very short and different today. There's going to be no ads in this video. We'll bring a couple watches on screen to show you. I picked up these two Pogues a couple weeks ago. I got them from a local, they have like a monthly watch collectors meetup, and I don't get a chance to go very often, but I made this last one, brought some stuff with me, and one of the watches I brought, someone was interested in and offered these two in trade. It was fair value, so I went ahead and did it. I've actually owned both of these watches already, though. I'll bring in my Pogue. You can see on the right, that Pogue on the right was the Pogue. I wear it all the time. It's the one from the first two videos ever on the channel, and something I enjoy quite often. This one here is what they would call a true Pogue. This is a 6139 6005 resist dial, which really only matters to the most hardcore of Seiko enthusiasts because anything of this colorway and case model is referred to as a Pogue, but a true Pogue, the original Pogue, was a 6139 6005 resist dial. The reason I bring you this video is and show you these two watches is because what I was thinking when I was picking these up in trade is that, man, there's a giveaway watch in this. And the channel's about to reach 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing to me. And I thought, man, one of these would make a great giveaway. And kind of the purpose of this video really is me trying to decide which one to give away. So we have this true Pogue, which is contender number one. The blue Pogue that I picked up is kind of a special model. I have a blue Pogue as well. We'll bring that one in. That one there was a subscriber's choice. They voted on which one they'd like to see next in a video, and we rebuilt that watch several videos ago. I wear that watch all the time too. I love it. It's been great. But this Pogue is a little bit different. So this is a notched case resist dial. Mine is not a notched case, and we'll kind of show you the notched case here. If you take a look at the crown and you see that notch cut out of the crown, this is a case model and a resist dial. This configuration was for a long time was said not to exist. Spencer Klein, who is the absolute authority on these watches, both historically and technically, confirmed the existence of a notched case resist dial through documentation. And the reason they said they couldn't exist was because this model 6009, notched cases came out very early. And so usually anything with a notched case had a proof dial. This is a notched case resist dial. So what does that mean? It's really, again, a technicality, but this particular configuration is quite rare. And so I'm thinking about it. Which one do I want to give away? My thought was that more people would probably want this original true Pogue. And so I haven't opened up either of these watches. I have absolutely no clue what's in store for me. On the outside, they do both function. They're clean. Someone has definitely cleaned these. So I don't know if they've been on a bench, how they're running. Don't have a clue. But so what you're seeing here is as much of these watches as that I've seen. I haven't opened up either one. But again, we're just going to do, once the channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. And I think it'll be interesting. And it's just a way for me to show my appreciation for the engagement and the enthusiasm people have shown on this channel, either through watching or comments or subscribing. It just means an awful lot to me, and I'd like to say thank you to everyone. So when the channel reaches 10,000 subs, we'll tear this watch apart and rebuild it and get it running and give it away to a lucky winner. So thank you, everyone. We'll see you soon.